क्या आप जानते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश का गाजीपुर सिर्फ एक ऐतिहासिक जिला ही नहीं बल्कि वीरों की धरती, पवित्र गंगा का किनारा और समृद्ध संस्कृति का अनोखा संगम भी है। आइए आज गाजीपुर को जानने के साथ साथ आसान अंग्रेजी भी सीखते हैं। गाजीपुर इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इन ईस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश। It was founded in the 14th century by Masood Ghazi, from whom the city gets its name. During the freedom struggle, Ghazipur played an important role and many brave people participated in India's fight for independence. Now that we know its history, let's meet the personalities who made Ghazipur proud. Ghazipur is closely associated with Lord Cornwallis, whose famous tomb is located here. The district is also known for brave freedom fighter and public leader who contribute to the nation. Many soldiers from this region have proudly served India in the armed forces, giving Ghazipur the reputation of a land of courage and patriotism. After learning about its leader, let's explore the geography of Ghazipur. The district lies on the fertile plain of the Ganga river in eastern Uttar Pradesh. Its fertile soil makes agriculture the main occupation, and crops such as rice, wheat, and vegetables are widely grown. The peaceful riverside landscape add to the natural beauty of the district. The geography of Ghazipur has shaped its vibrant culture. People celebrated festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Chhath with great enthusiasm. Folk song, traditional dances, and Bhojpuri culture make the district unique. The hospitality and simplicity of the local people leave a lasting impression on every visitor. Now let's discover the famous tourist attraction of Ghazipur. Visitor can explore the tomb of Lord Cornwallis, the peaceful banks of the Ganga river, and several ancient temples and historical sites. Ghazipur is also known for its scenic countryside, making it a pleasant destination for history lovers and natural enthusiasts. From its glorious history to its inspiring leader, fertile geography, colorful culture, and beautiful tourist attraction, Ghazipur is truly a district worth exploring. Keep learning English, keep exploring India, and I will meet you in the next district with another exciting journey. Thank you for watching.